Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Okay, welcome back to our accountancy class. You have understood the old class that I have taught yesterday about the retirement of partner. Retirement of partner is as same as the admission of a partner. Okay, almost all the adjustments, only two adjustments are new that we will learn later. Okay, the first adjustment is adjusting the distribution of accumulated profits and reserves. Okay, that we know that will be available in the liability side. So they show debit balance, so the credit balance. So we have to debit them, and the partner's capital account must be credited, and all the amount must be distributed in the old profit sharing ratio. Okay, the first illustration and exercise we will see. Yesterday I explained, whether you were able to see that, I do not know. That's why I am explaining once again. The video was stopped in between. Okay. Vivin, Hari and Joy are partners, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. On 31st March 2017, Hari retired. On the date of retirement, the books of the firm showed a general reserve of rupees 60,000. Passed the journal entry to transfer the general reserve. General reserve shows credit balance, so we need to debit general reserve account data to three partners capital account in the old profit sharing ratio. 60,000 into 6 divided by 10. So sorry, into 3 divided by 6. So 10 we will get to. Okay, then 10 into 3, 30,000, 10 into 2, 20,000, 10,000. General reserve transferred to all partners capital account in the old profit sharing ratio. Same pattern only they will ask in the exercise also. Deena, Surya and Janaki are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. On 31st March 2018, Deena retired. On the date of retirement, the books of the firm showed a reserve fund of rupees 50,000. Passed journal entry to transfer the reserve fund. So the general fund shows credit balance, so we need to debit. Then all partners capital account. Deena's capital, Surya's capital, Janaki's capital account. Reserve fund transfer to all partners in the ratio of 5:3:2. The calculation is given here. Total amount 50,000 into first 5 by total share 10. So 5 by 10, 1 0 will be cut. Then 5,000 into 5, 25,000. Next person 3 share. So 5,000 into 3, 15,000. Another one 2 share. So 5,000 into 2, 10,000. Okay. Now we will see the second illustration. Second illustration. Mary, Meena and Mariam are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses equally. Mary retired from the partnership on 1st January 2019. On that date, their balance sheet showed accumulated loss of rupees 75,000 on the asset side of the balance sheet. Give journal entry to distribute the accumulated loss. Here in the balance sheet, that accumulated loss is shown on the asset side. So that is a loss. So asset side is that debit balance. So we need to credit that one. So to profit and loss account, then partners capital account must be debited, or the partners capital account. Okay. Then we need to share the amount of 75,000 into equally. So 1 by 3. Okay. Shall we do the second exercise? First I will read it out. Rosie, Radhi and Rani are partners of a firm sharing profits and losses equally. Radhi retired from the partnership firm on 1st January 2018. On that date, their balance sheet showed accumulated loss of rupees 45,000 on the asset side of the balance sheet. Give the journal entry to distribute the accumulated loss. Accumulated loss, then we need to debit the partner's capital account, isn't it? Rosie, question number 2. Then you have journal entry you should write. Okay, now columns and all we have to draw. Date, particulars, LF, debit, credit. Okay, then journal entry. Rosie's capital account debtor. Radhi's capital account debtor. Rani's capital account debtor. To profit and loss account. Should not write to accumulated loss. Okay. Accumulated loss transferred to all partners. So what is the amount? 45,000 equally, isn't it? So 45,000 working area. Okay. Into 1 by 3. 3. 1 3 is 3. Remaining 1 15. 5 3s are 15. 3 0. So each one will be getting 15,000. So totally 45,000. Okay, that one over. Then third illustration. Third illustration. Let me read out. Prince Dev and Sasi Rekha are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:4:1. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. Capital, Prince Dev, Sasi Rekha, profit and loss appropriation account, general reserve, workman compensation fund, sundry creditors. Buildings, plant, furniture, stock, debtors, cash at bank. Here they have not asked the question. Actually, it is dismissed, I think. So we need to prepare the journal entry to distribute the accumulated profits and losses. Here, accumulated profits and reserves. Here, profit and loss account. Then, appropriation account, general reserve, workman compensation fund. In the ratio 2:4:1. So we will prepare the. We will see the journal entry. Profit and loss, appropriation account data, general reserve account data, workman compensation account data to Prince capital account, Dev's capital account, Sasi Rekha's capital account. Okay, then we need to write the amount. Then all these amount totally distributed to the partner's capital account in old ratio. Okay, so for totally 42,000 into 2 by 7. Here 4 by 7, 1 by 7. Okay, let me do the third exercise. Akash, Mukesh and Sanjay are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2017 is as follows. Buildings, vehicles, stock in trade, debtors, cash in hand, capital accounts, 3 partners, then profit and loss appropriation account, general reserve, workman compensation fund, bills payable. Prepare past journal entry to transfer accumulated profit and prepare the capital account of the partners. Okay, we will first prepare the journal entry. Journal entry, okay. First we need to debit the profits and reserves. Okay, profit and loss appropriation account. Debtor 12,000. Yeah. General reserve account debtor 24,000. Then workman compensation fund account 18,000. To all partners. Partners name Akash. So Akash capital account, Mukesh capital account, to Sanjay's capital account. Accumulated profits and reserves distributed or transferred to partners in old ratio. Total amount we will calculate, isn't it? 0, 14, balance 1, 2, 4, 5. So 54,000. In which ratio? 3:2:1. So total share 6. How many 6 are 54? 9 6 are 54. So 9,000. First partner 9,000 into 3, 27,000. Mukesh 2. So 18,000. Sanjay 1. So 9,000. Now we need to prepare the capital accounts. Capital accounts. Here 3 partners, isn't it? So 1, 2, 3. Debit side also 3 amount card. Now first opening capital by balance. Then we will write the partner's name, isn't it? Akash, Mukesh, Sanjay. Akash, Mukesh, Sanjay. Okay, by balance brought down 40,000, 60,000, 30,000. Now by accumulated profits. Or we can write each one separately. Okay, profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, 12,000. If we divide, how much we will get? Into 3 by 6. 2. So 2 into 3, 6,000. The next partner 2, 4,000. Next one, 2,000. Then next one, general reserve. In the journal entry, we have combined all the amount and we have written. That one we cannot write. Okay, here we need to show separate. General reserve how much? 24,000. Okay, double the amount we will get. 6, 4. 4 into 3, 12. Then 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 1, 4. Then workman compensation fund. $18,000. Into 3 by 6. How many 6? 3 6. So 9,000. 3 into 2 6,000. 3 into 1 3,000. Now we will add and write the amount. Okay. 3 0 8 17. Balance 1 6. 18. 78,000. 7 9 3 39. Okay, then draw double line. Then here we need to write the opening balance, closing balance. 2 balance carry down 67,000, 78,000 and 39,000. Okay, we need to draw and the same amount we have to write. Okay, this is the capital account. Here you can write by balance brought on also. Okay, now we will learn the next heading, revaluation of assets and liabilities. Revaluation. We know in the admission we have studied, once the if any partner is admitted, the old firm's assets or assets and liabilities are revalued, and the increase in value or decrease in value of assets and liabilities will be transferred to the revaluation account, and the profit or loss on revaluation will be transferred to old partner's capital account. In the same way we have here also we need to do. Okay, so we know all the profit items will be entered on the credit side of the revaluation account, and all the loss items will be written on the debit side of the revaluation account, isn't it? So any increase in value of asset is called a profit item, any decrease in the value of asset and increase in the value of liability is called the loss items. Okay, that tomorrow we will learn the accounts, but today I will mark and give you the question answers. Okay. What is meant by retirement of a partner in 184? Page number 184. You know what is retirement of a partner. See, in this 184, the first line, from that one till this 4 lines together. Okay. Then the next question. Short answer, first one. Okay. List out the adjustments made at the time of retirement of a partner in a partnership firm. That one in page number 184. Okay, all the adjustments that we have to make. Yesterday I taught you. Okay. Distribution of accumulated profits, reserves and losses, revaluation of assets and liabilities, determination of new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio, adjustment for goodwill, adjustment for current year's profit or loss up to the date of retirement, then settlement of the amount due to the retiring partner. Only this many questions available. You have to learn these question answers. Okay, then the revaluation of assets and liabilities, I will explain the problems tomorrow. Okay, students, thank you very much.